if Google or AI, chatbots, ChatGPT, Gemini hits your page right now, your website right now, your key pages, are those crawlers actually and bots going to actually understand the information on your page, or going to be able to extract it, or are they going to just skip past it? I'm Aaron. I've run hundreds of successful SEO campaigns, and with AI visibility becoming more and more prominent, I wanted to build a free AI visibility extension for anybody to use from their browser. The video, I'm going to show you a little bit about that and get right into an example. Okay. So actually, I got up a page from Search Engine Journal just because it's like a prominent publication that a lot of SEOs understand and read commonly, and they do a pretty good job already with with their AI visibility tactics. So let's see how they're doing right now. So plugin's super easy. So let's say I go to my page and I'm like, I want to understand what do AI bots see when they are coming to this page. I'll come up here. I already have the visibility extension installed. Just going to click that right there. And as you can see right here, you're going to get three big things from this visibility audit just immediately. Number one, you're going to get this AI visibility score. It's going to be a 0 to 100 score of just taking all the information that we've extracted and how well it's ready to go for showing up in AI or SEO results. I'm also going to be giving a readability score. So that's using the automated readability index, which is grading your readability from grade level 6 to 18. Usually you're going to want that grade 6 to 8. Looks like this is probably a little bit more technical, so grade 11.1. And the third really cool thing is I actually have reporting features. So you could actually come in here and export all this information that I have in this audit immediately and actually provide that to your client. So I'll show that to you later as well. So you can see right here, this report takes into account all the different information that I have all compiled in here. Pretty cool. So I'll go back to this AI score right here, and you can see that we have, understanding if it's indexable, if it's snippet restricted, looking at content readiness factors. So if it has H1 tag, meta description, has schema markup, tells you, the different content structure of article, as well as some other cool graphs I just wanted to add in there for fun. Another really great, amazing thing about this is instead of having to, go and keep all of these different slots of information all across the internet, I've added, the rich results test right here. So I could click this and get a rich results test immediately on this site, which can help me understand some of how Google is seeing some of the schema markup on the site. So okay, it's testing the live URL right now. I don't know if I want to wait for that, but you get the point. Same thing, performance insights, which I think is going to be a big thing going forward with a lot of sites. What's the the performance of the site? What's the cumulative layout shift? What are the core web vitals? LCP, and get that diagnosis that Google already provides. Like, I'm not trying to reinvent the wheel here. I'm just trying to get all the information easily in one place for someone to just diagnose a page really quickly. All right. In this overview section, I actually have a way where you can easily access the sitemap of Search Engine Journal. So you can see right here all of their posts forever for the last 15 years. LLMs.txt. Looks like we actually have an article on this. Don't know if they actually have LLMs text up, so that might be something they might be looking at doing. Cool. get all the normal page information, title, link, description, best practices, the open graph information, as well as all the heading structure automatically with easy copy and paste. Look at internal and external link distribution. Make sure your ratio is showing more internal links than external links, as well as if there's any no-follow links in there, and export that all really easily and just scroll through all these links. Images, so if you wanted to check to see if you make sure you're not missing any alt text, you see they only have 60% coverage here. So even some of the best SEO, see what SEO, so the images they are not getting. I actually just export that as a CSV right here, and I can get all those alt texts that are missing. So I could easily diagnose this page. Looks like I can even look down here, missing alt text for this image. Cool. Readability, a big thing, and people know about writing. A big thing about writing is, not writing in passive voice all the time. They have automatic detection for that to make sure, usually most of the time, you're writing in active voice. I also have a heading tree map. It's like if you wanted to make sure that one section isn't taking over the entire article, looks like they have it pretty well balanced out right here until this last section. Let's see. Arching. I wonder where it's getting that from. I was picking this is actually an H2. Interesting. That might be something I want to change, not having this in H2 interfering with what might be being crawled in the content area. Cool schema right here they have right here. It looks like they have some org schema set up for here. They may want some author schema, might be a good addition here, as well as some article schema. A big thing people are talking about right now is FAQ schema on pages. That's really easily crawlable by AI's agents. So maybe at the end of the article, just adding a quick FAQ section. Doesn't look amazing in some articles, but if you're really shooting for that AI visibility mark, you're going to be wanting to put some of that extra information in there. As well as some more AI visibility checks. Like I said before, no FAQ schema is on here. Honestly, I think the coolest thing about this extension is the fact that you can come in here and export this HTML report really easily in this JSON with all this information that you can share to your clients, as well as easy access to tools like Ahrefs mods. So if you wanted to look up this page and more advanced tools, get a better look of let's see what the traffic looks like. Let's see what the backlink profile looks like. You can get all that information pretty easily. So all you got to do, download this plugin really easily. Just go to Google Chrome, search up Aaron's AI Visibility Extension, be the #1 result, download it. It's free. Awesome tool for SEOs or people just wanting to understand how their website might be showing up or being understood by AI bots as this AI visibility thing gets bigger and bigger. It's free. I'm just doing this for fun. Let me know what you think. Thanks, guys.